What does great entertainment sound like?
Well, no, because that would make it real easy to find it. I got that trick I think I can handle. So if you want to do it that way, you go right ahead. Up to you. I'm just saying. Up to you shuffle. You want a table? Here, I'm going to give you a table. There you go. You shuffle it up. You're hoping for danger, aren't you? You are! Thank you, my dear. Cheers. Well, that's for me, girl, not for you. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for me. Let's have some fun and have a show. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much.
Doesn't your next event deserve real, live, great entertainment?